guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy. I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's. Me personally, I went to sleep once like 12:05 hit. I said like a few Happy New Year's to people, and I went to sleep. I was too tired. We didn't do anything but like watch movies, so you know, just trying to stay up that long, it wasn't working for me. But today, I have decided to turn myself for the New Year's, and not into, because I'm already one, you feel me, but turn myself into a bad itch, or a bad queen. Let me say queen, but turn myself into a bad queen, because on the regular I be just looking like a regular queen. So today I'm going to actually do myself up and try something I never did before, which is put a blonde wig on. So this is a curly wig. It's synthetic. I got it from the beauty supply store. I think it was only like $20. So today I'm just going to be installing this on my head. And like I said, I'm going to do my makeup and everything after, but I'm going to show y'all the process of me putting it on. You know, just the whole install, laying it down, all that good stuff. So right now I'm just straightening it on my mannequin. So far I've done the back. But you know, as you can see, you see a little bit of bumps right here. I'm trying to get it out, but I also can't put too much heat on it, so I'm trying my hardest not to do that. Y'all, I have never done this color before, but you know, it's a new year, new me. It's like, nah, we're not going with that slogan. But I just want to try new stuff. Like, I mean, I've tried it on, but I've never, you know, like worn it for real. Right now, the curls are not gonna do me justice, so I have to get them all out because my face has been looking real fattish lately. So if I put this wig on and it just has like the curls, I'm gonna look funny. I was not very prepared for this. Even though I knew I wanted to do it, I just wasn't prepared. So my apologies, but don't judge me. It's a learning process. And also, I'm not even sure how long I'm gonna keep this wig on. I just wanted to try it on. Like, I wanted to, you know, get my husband's reaction, and I wanted to get y'all reaction. Like, what do y'all think? But yeah, told myself I was gonna be a better me this year, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be. Don't mind this stain on my shirt. It's toothpaste, but I just finished the wig, as you can see, and now we are going to start on my hair. So let's turn this way. Don't mind the crazy laundry in the background. I'm gonna take this off now. Y'all about to see my little nugget head. So this is the color I was telling y'all I wanted to change my hair to, like in case I don't like this color. So this is it. Okay. I did these braids like the other day, so that's why they kind of just everywhere in the back. These just won't stay. I just can't get them to. And then when I was braiding it, I forgot a piece. Does that happen to anybody? Because it happened to me. I need a sorry y'all, I had to get some bobby pins and rubber bands. I don't really know why I got the rubber bands, but actually yes I do. Right now I'm just gonna revamp my hair. So I'm gonna use this this leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna spray it all over my head. You gotta push hard so it really sprays. Make it nice and moisturized, right? Look at this tip. And then I take the other one. This is like the creamier one. The other one is like water-based, I feel. Well, they're kind of both water-based, I don't know, but I just put that on there like that. I feel like lately I have not been moisturizing my hair the right way, so this is just how I do it. Now I'm gonna use my edge control. I don't really know. I had forgot my got to be spray downstairs, and I'm running low, so I need to buy a new one. But I'm just gonna slick these edges back. Brush that thing on back just like that. Just like that. put you on the roots.
Are you recording this right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah. It'll be like that, but I put too much product on the front. I'm gonna have to brush that out, but it ain't bad.
It looks good from here. I mean, I can't see, but it looks good from here.
I'm not the best at putting this on. Like I said, this is my second time doing it. You get better, you know, as you progress, but I don't know that if that's working in my case. I don't have no blistics. I need some blistics. I feel like the oil that I use for my lip ain't really working. I mean, I could put some lip gloss on, but I need some. So yeah, this is what it's giving right now. Trying to wait for this part to dry. Okay. Now it's not really getting dry, but I gotta put it on. So. Alright, y'all, so I just cut this side of the lace off. I don't know if y'all can see this up here somewhere. And now I'm about to do this side. So, I'm gonna start with this top part. Let's try that out. So, y'all, I'm gonna use my edge control. I'm gonna literally just swoop it. I'm not a fan of this, man. I'm really not. I'm getting irritated. That's better. I just want it to look like there's hair in here, you know? I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but whatever. There we go. That was a perfect one. Ooh. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna start my makeup. So I'll be back when my makeup is done, y'all. Hopefully y'all like the hair so far. I mean, I like it, but that was done. I like it, but hope y'all do. I need to get me one of those wig man thingies. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Cause this thing is too big. It's too big, but we just gotta make sure we do what it do. And we gonna be back, y'all. We almost done with the process. I'm just do my glam real quick. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going for with this makeup look, but I'm gonna do something I ain't never did before. I'm gonna take it a little step further than just natural. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, like I said, but we're gonna try something new and hope you guys like it. So, all right, you guys, I am back. I tried a different eye look. I've never done this eye look before, or this lip look, and I feel beautiful as hell. So, tell me what you guys think about the lace wig. I feel like there's some spots like up here because I had this wrapped up that I need to blend in more. That foundation didn't hit. I'm seeing a cast of it, but whatever, I'll fix it later. But because I ain't going nowhere. But this is the final look, y'all. Turning myself from a regular queen to a baddie queen. You know, trying something new. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show y'all from the back. It's not really much from the back, you know, just because it's the hair, but I'm gonna flip it so y'all can see it from Woo. Like, I know I feel it. Also, I didn't even put highlight on, so. And then, of course, if you flip it to the front, just how long it is. Pretty long, you know. But yeah, what do you guys think? Am I slaying this new year? Let me know. Like I said, I also got foundation as I was doing my hair, like in it, but again, I don't care. It is what it is. I already know I like the bad thing out here, the baddest thing out here. I mean, I already know I am, but I'm just saying. But anyway, guys, I know this is like a long overrated video. I'm gonna get dressed in a little bit, take some pictures, and then post them on Instagram and on YouTube. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And again, you guys, Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed your New Year day like I am, you know, glamming myself up, starting the new year off right, okay? And yeah, I'm about to clean up this little mess I got going on right here. Like it, comment, just saying hey, you know, it's a new year, don't be shady. Say something, just respond, let me know what you think. Am I cute? I know I am, but what y'all think? Like, just let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate you guys for staying in and watching the video for as long as you did, or even skipping through. I don't even care. Just, I appreciate you guys, and yeah, cheers to 2022. Peace out.